Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you how to set up Aeolian Princess Lively wallpaper for desktop. After finish, you will have a desktop like this. Now I will show you how to make it. Let's go. This is my current desktop. First upon you download file put in description below. You have a zip file. You extract file. After finish, you will have a folder with Lively wallpaper inside. Okay, next step you go to Microsoft Store and search Lively wallpaper. There, and click install. You click open. This app will help to set up Lively wallpaper for desktop. This is app interface. In this window, you click Add Wallpaper. You click Open. And links to folder you download from my channel. Select Lively wallpaper file. You click OK. As you see, now Lively wallpaper was set for desktop background. You click Setting and change volume to 0. OK. You can click. This screen minimize to system change. Okay, you go back to Microsoft Store and find app Trans S Version TV. You click install. You click open. Continue. And you see now that bar become transparent. Next, you right click and unspin all app in start bar. About free app, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar, and change to off. Now taskbar only have a task button. This looks very clean. You can also make the desktop looks clean by right click, view, and stick the desktop icon. Okay, now I have finished the setup Lively wallpaper for my desktop, and also make desktop looks clean. First, you can make desktop looks more beautiful by go to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. You go to playlist, screen remaster for Windows desktop. You can review all below and this playlist and select for you one screen remaster package which you like, and follow my guide in below to set up for your desktop. After finish, you will have a desktop like this. Okay. So I will finish show you how to set up your Aeolian Princess Lively wallpaper for desktop. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.